Welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable tips and advice to help you succeed in your career. Today, we're diving into the fundamentals of resume and CV writing. Whether you're a recent graduate or a seasoned professional, this step-by-step guide will equip you with the essential knowledge to create a standout resume or CV. So, let's get started. Introduction to resumes and CVs. Before we begin, let's clarify the difference between a resume and a CV. Resumes are typically used in job applications within industries like business, marketing, or technology. On the other hand, a CV, or curriculum vitae, is more common in academia, research, or medical fields. Although the formats may differ, the principles we'll discuss today apply to both. Gathering your information. Host. The first step is to gather all the necessary information. Start with your contact details, including your name, phone number, email address, and LinkedIn profile. Then, list your education, work experience, skills, and any relevant certifications or achievements. It's crucial to have this information organized and readily available. Choosing the right format. Now that you have your information, it's time to select the right format for your resume or CV. Consider the industry and job you're applying for when making this decision. A chronological format works well for showcasing a strong work history, while a functional format focuses more on skills and achievements. There are also hybrid formats that combine the best of both worlds. Crafting a compelling summary. Your resume or CV should begin with a compelling summary that highlights your key qualifications and career goals. Keep it concise and impactful, as it serves as a snapshot of your professional profile. Tailor your summary to the specific job you're applying for, emphasizing the skills and experiences most relevant to the role. Showcasing your work experience. The work experience section is where you highlight your professional background. Start with your most recent job and work backward. For each position, include the job title, company name, dates of employment, and a concise description of your responsibilities and achievements. Use action verbs and quantify your accomplishments whenever possible. Highlighting your skills. In the skills section, showcase your core competencies that align with the job requirements. Include both hard skills, such as technical proficiencies, and soft skills, such as communication or leadership abilities. Be selective and focus on the skills most relevant to the position. Education and certifications. The education section should include your academic achievements, starting with the most recent degree or qualification. Mention the institution, degree earned, and any relevant coursework or projects. Additionally, include any certifications or professional development programs that enhance your qualifications. Design and formatting tips. Pay attention to the design and formatting of your resume or CV. Use a clean and professional layout, with consistent fonts and formatting. Ensure that your document is easy to read and visually appealing. Use bullet points, subheadings, and white space effectively to enhance readability. Proofreading and final checks. Before you submit your resume or CV, proofread it thoroughly. Look for any spelling or grammar errors and ensure that all information is accurate and up to date. Have someone else review your document to catch any mistakes you may have missed. A polished and error-free resume or CV makes a strong impression. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our step-by-step guide to resume and CV writing basics. Remember, crafting a compelling resume or CV is essential for standing out in today's competitive job market. Before we go, let's quickly recap the key points we covered. Gather all necessary information, including contact details, education, work experience, skills, and certifications. Choose the right format based on your industry and job requirements. Craft a compelling summary that highlights your qualifications and career goals. Showcase your work experience with clear and concise descriptions of your responsibilities and achievements. Highlight relevant skills that align with the job requirements. Include your education and any certifications or professional development programs. Pay attention to design and formatting to make your resume or CV visually appealing. Proofread and edit your document thoroughly before submission. Remember, your resume or CV is your personal marketing tool, so make sure it accurately represents your skills, experiences, and qualifications. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more career-related content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and best of luck in your resume, CV writing journey. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope this step-by-step guide has provided you with the knowledge and confidence to create an impressive resume or CV. Don't forget to implement these tips and tailor your document to each job application. As always, remember that your resume or CV is a powerful tool in showcasing your skills and experiences. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and we'll see you in the next video.